अब 10 मिनट का समय है हमारे पास शमिका जी, तो मेरा सवाल ये होगा कि $5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी वो टारगेट है 2047 तक, ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर का विजन है। कल सत्या नडीला से प्राइम मिनिस्टर की मुलाकात हुई, उस तरह के बिगेस्ट जो टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनीज़ है उनसे वो डायरेक्टली इंगेज करते रहते हैं। तो जो ईज़ ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस का मैसेज है वो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया में डायरेक्टली प्रधानमंत्री के कार्यालय से आ रहा है। तो 2047 में ये जो टारगेट है वो कैसे अचीव होगा एंड उसके लिए क्या और पॉलिसी इंटरवेंशंस दिखेंगे, क्योंकि 1 महीने में बजट आने वाला है।
Maria, budget हर साल आता है and budget is not the only time when we do reforms, by the way. Please note, it's a very large economy and your states are very powerful too. So अब labor laws भी अब reform हो गए हैं, notify हो गए हैं. Now what we will see is that the states which implement this with full commitment, they are going to benefit much more. और ये historical data से भी यही देखा गया है कि जब भी we enter a trade agreement or some trade liberal policy, something new, it's those states जहाँ पे reforms लाए गए हैं, particularly the labor, they are able to benefit much more. So Delhi has a role, but a lot of action also happens in the states. That is number one. Now in terms of what is going to drive us there, I think of course it's a collective effort. One is we are a young nation. We are a nation where domestic demand is continuing to grow. Regulatory अगर हम thumb rule देखें Maria, then basically we are trying to get the Indian economy to become more competitive. In fact, even the airlines, the current situation, we have to get it more competitive, and that is where the efforts are, right? Manufacturing, जो आप सवाल कर रही है, it's a little bit unfair also. 10 साल पहले तक तो दिल्ली में आप ये कहते थे कि India has missed manufacturing बस, और अब आपको suddenly you want to become a superpower in manufacturing. ये 10 साल में you think finance is the only thing which is our limitation? Our biggest limitation in manufacturing, skilled manpower. Mid-managers, if you go to industrial belts of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, a lot of mid-managers, meaning people with 15 to 20 years of work experience, you know where they are recruiting them from? Spain and Italy. Managers are being brought to work on shop floors in India. क्यों? After all, we are HR capital of the world. We produce so many people because fundamentally 10 साल पहले तक दिल्ली में ये विश्वास था कि भाई become a computer engineer and a consultant. That is where the money is. That's the cool thing.